Roshan. Today, can you explain me about the solar system?
Oh, really? I also like to experience about it. So let's just start this video by learning about the solar system. So there are 9 planets, out of which Pluto was a dwarf planet now, because scientists have thought that they had Pluto as their planets. But in 2007 or 8, they launched a mission and checked Pluto if it was a dwarf planet or a planet. Then they discovered that the scientists changed their minds that this is very small as Europa, the moon of Jupiter. So that's why they included it as a dwarf planet.
Oh,
But there are five moons, 5 stars, which are among our planets, but now as a dwarf planet.
oh, let's continue.
We have main planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Oh,
And Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is so hot that astronauts cannot land on it. So they actually orbit around the Sun, and because of the Sun, it's like 5,40,000 kilometers, like that. And the Sun's power is so powerful that the lava comes to the planet of Mercury. So that's why the planet of Mercury is very hot. It also shines in the night time.
like, is it shining so bright or medium?
No, it's like a star in the night time.
Oh, like medium.
Yeah.
Medium.
After this, we have a beautiful planet also known as the planet of Venus. It is a hot planet, but NASA landed on it and took information about it. And in this planet of Venus, it is so bright that it shines in the night time because its clouds are very thick. But because of the sun's powerfulness, the planet of Venus gets its thick clouds very warm that it shines in the night time.
Okay. Oh, that's so amazing. Wonderful.
Yeah, after this we have a wonderful and beautiful planet known as the planet of Earth. It is also known as the blue planet because almost half of the Earth is covered of water, which is about 70% and 75% to 75% of salt water and only 3% of drinkable water.
Oh, that's so interesting. I can't believe it.
Yeah. And wildlife and sanctuaries are more in the world, but the human beings are destroying all these by cutting trees and cutting the animal houses, so animals cannot live and they are becoming extinct. Even our national animal, the tiger and lions, are getting less and extinct. Because of this also, dinosaurs became extinct.
That's crazy.
Yeah. After this we have Mars. Mars is also known as the red planet. It's like it has red soil. Like in India, it's found in the Deccan Plateau and rich in deposits of minerals. Like that, it has so much red soil that it also shines in the night time.
Oh, it also shines.
Yeah. And after this is a asteroid belt that from India to Pakistan there is a border. Like that only Mars has an asteroid belt from which it sometimes comes to Earth in the future. That's why they gave in the Times of India's and our school newspapers that future threats are coming near.
Does it hit the earth?
Yeah, it hits the Earth in the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, or any ocean and forms tsunamis.
But is that when we get earthquakes?
No, if we get earthquakes are another type. Like the land can be moved from which it can form earthquake. But if the asteroid falls, right, they form earthquakes. This type of earthquake is different, and the asteroid type of earthquake is different.
Both are different types.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After asteroid belt, they might come to the sun, and again the sun becomes more powerful that it might burst also.
You mean like explode? Will they make the asteroids explode?
No, when they come near to the sun, because of the sun's gravity, they cannot believe it. So because they become hot, and the sun is actually, it does not have any solids. It's like a liquid only. Because even from our country, India, Aditya L1 launched to the sun. It was just orbiting the sun because it does not have a solid layer.
Oh.
Because the liquids and all lavas, they also are liquids. So this solid also turns into liquid.
Like, is it like a type of fluid? Not
Yeah.
solid.
It does not flow because of the strong gravity of the sun.
Yeah.
Shake. It will move differently from the other planets, that it will move same like a Earth, because Earth also has an axis from which we get day and night. But this planet, right, they will move around its rings.
Oh, they'll move.
Yeah.
That's kind of interesting.
Yeah. After this, we have a planet called Uranus. Uranus also has rings. You describe, right? Blue light.
Like the Saturn?
No. The Saturn has only dark yellow, light yellow, brown, and white rings. White rings. But this planet of Uranus only has one ring. We don't know how much long it is, and size and shape. But you described it. It's blue light in color. That ring. Yeah. Because of that, sometimes it shines in the night time.
Oh, like all the planets.
No.
At that first you told, right?
Yeah.
Some planets like that it will shine mediumly.
Not medium, like its rings become blue light in color, but in the night time it will come as a shining white diamond.
Like a star, maybe?
Yeah, it's like a star. Uranus rings differently from the other planets, like not like even Saturn. It looks like it's knocked on its side.
What?
Yeah.
Like it's like a hope.
Yeah, it's like a hope. How we
like we swing around, not swing around like you.
Yeah.
We do.
Same like Earth has an axis, but if Earth has rings, there might be problems. But this planet Uranus has, it's like knocked on its side. It moves as hoops.
But does it really knock down its side?
No, it's like knocked on its side, but not. It moves around its rings. That's why it takes lot of time to orbit the sun.
Oh.
And it's very far from the sun that it does not get light, but its rings only will get so much light.
Oh.
Yeah. And after this, Neptune. This is a farthest planet from the sun, that it does not even get a pinch of sunlight. That's why astronauts even not land on that, but NASA orbited around it to get the details for the
Oh.
planet of Earth.
Like, did I take a video?
No, they did not take a video. They took pictures, and the rover landed with airbags for protection.
Oh.
Even on Mars, our country India launched the Mangalyaan 1. You remember, right?
Yeah.
It
I
landed.
remember right now.
Yeah, island. The spacecraft removed from the rocket and went to Mars.
Oh.
This spacecraft was protected by airbags, and after this, the rover came out of the spacecraft and was searching for the character and the soil and all.
Did they get any soil?
Soil they give back to the earth as I don't know what process it is, but they give back to the earth also. Even NASA did the same. You know, the earth was the first our country India was the first country to land on the moon's south pole, where they discovered life.
That's why Earth is known as the planet with life.
Yeah. They discovered life on the moon with water and all. So there is 40% of oxygen from which it is not there in India also. So they made it a living thing,
Oh.
living place. So there also they landed some camps and was living there. And there they placed their flag.
Yeah.
Even the Soviet Union, also known as the Russian spacecraft, USA and China also landed on the moon, but in the North Pole only. Russia also landed, but because of an error, they crashed into the moon, but they placed their flag there.
For us, South Pole, right?
Yeah, South Pole. Because of the moon's